Hi there, gig buddies. This video is to help you understand what's going to happen at the Pride Cymru March. So Gig Buddies Cymru are going to join with MenCap and Innovate Trust this year. We're going to all march together in one big group as part of the main parade. If you've never been before, a parade means that we all join together and we wave flags and we have posters and banners. We wear colourful clothes and we all walk through Cardiff city centre together as part of a huge parade that people will stop and watch. It's a really good, fun thing to do. So you can have a little look at some of the links about why we march at Pride. There's some really important reasons, but we won't go into that in this video. Pride is a really colourful event, so what you should wear is something that's really bright, makes you stand out, but mostly something that is comfortable. We don't want you to be feeling uncomfortable. Wear comfy shoes because the parade is going to last for about 90 minutes. You'll walk around a mile, which isn't actually that far, but there'll be lots of other people marching, so there will be lots of stopping and starting. So wear comfortable shoes to make sure that you can last the whole parade. The parade starts at about 11 o'clock, but as you can imagine, there's lots and lots of people in Cardiff that day, so we really need to make sure that we're organised. We will meet at 9:30, so 9:30 in the morning at Cardiff Museum on the steps. I'm going to be the lead person, so my name is Danielle. I'll have a Gig Buddies t-shirt on and I'll be waving a Gig Buddies flag, so I should be quite easy to spot. So that's 9:30 on Cardiff Museum steps. It might be hot, it might be raining. The parade happens regardless of the weather. Please make sure you bring the right sort of clothes with you. If it's raining, bring a coat. If it's sunny, please make sure you've got sun cream on, a hat, sunglasses, that kind of thing. You're going to need to carry your own stuff. So if you've got things that you need to bring with you, please make sure they're in a backpack or something similar so that it's not too heavy for you to carry around. You can come with a gig buddy. You can come by yourself. If you've got a family member that wants to join in, that's fine, or a friend that can come along with you. We're happy for anyone to come along. That'll make you and the experience that much better for you. On the day, I'll be the lead person. So if anyone needs me, it's best to try and contact me. I'll give everyone a little slip with my phone number on the day, but the number you can contact me on is 07506 902 320. So that's Danielle and I'm working with Gig Buddies. If you've got any questions before the event, you can let me know on either that phone number or you can email gigbuddies@learningdisabilitywales.org.uk. Looking forward to seeing everybody on Saturday the 17th of June at 9:30 at the steps of Cardiff Museum. Speak to you soon. Happy Pride!